here probably will be some of the oldest units I would ever film these things. Let's look at these. These are extremely old, and I do not know the brands of these. Get the dash sheet off. Right, I think I just saw it in the front. There's more vintage units at this church, but I'm not gonna film them right now because there's a lot of people at the church and I do not want to get busted. But these are probably some of the oldest units that I would ever film. I'll try to come back here a different time and see if I can film the others with less people here, but this is right here. This church is open 24 hours, so I'm not sure about that. '87. This is an old one.